What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on Snap-on Tool Review. Can you believe it? 2 years on YouTube.
Limousines and restaurants. I spent all my money in my favorite homes. I'm a rock star, baby. Rock star, baby, come on. I'm in love with a plastic queen. She's been...
Welcome back. Can you believe it? Yeah, man. 2 years on YouTube, guys. Just a quick shout out it's a shout out. Shout out to all you guys. Thank you very much for the constant love and support that you guys have shown the channel through the last 2 years. Last year, I think we just hit 9,000 subscribers. This year, on our 2-year mark, 24,000 subscribers. That's not a big number. It's a big number for me. And I'm just under a quarter way to the big milestone. The first big milestone on YouTube, that would be the silver play button. Yes, I plan on being around that long. Yes, I have way more things to do with this life and channel than what we do. I'm going to get into that in a moment. We're going to go over some of my plans for the future, plans for the channel. So 2 years ago, my life changed, and your guys' lives changed because you have me in it. And it's been such a humbling, amazing experience for me. I would never have thought that in 2 years I would have the friendships that I have, know the people that I do, been able to do the things that I've done, and it hasn't been much. But I've gotten to know some cool people along the way. I've got to meet and make some really cool friends all over the world. Yes, I consider all you guys friends. It's been a long road. It's had its ups and downs. There's been some rough days, some good days. We go through family issues. Time do a lot of ignoring our spouses. That's definitely been the biggest drawback and downfall, or just drawback of this entire mini side career, I guess you could call it. It's been fun though. It's been such a fun ride, and I look so forward to what is going to happen in the next 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years. My future plans. Well, that's a big one. With recent changes in my shop environment, we just had our shop foreman quit. No longer with us. He was getting older, and he wanted a retirement job where he wasn't having to pull wrenches anymore. And so congratulations to Bindi for finding the perfect retirement job for yourself. But the shop's not going to be the same. It's not going to be the same without him. We're going to have new people in and that kind of thing. The shop's constantly changing. We have good management now, which is nice. But my plan slowly crept up on me sometime mid last year or mid this year, where I figured that there's a point in any YouTuber's career where you have a full-time job and then you're doing this YouTube thing, and the YouTube thing sometimes interferes with your work, but then there becomes this tipping of the scale, and your work becomes getting in the way of your YouTube career. And that's where I see myself right now. And I only have 25,000 subscribers, or just under 24,000 subscribers. And I want to kick it up. I want to do this. I want to career. I want to help people. I have just a short backstory. I've never shared this with anybody, I don't think, on YouTube. I was a very young parent. I had my first child at 15 years old. And I struggled, absolutely struggled. We were that couple that you saw walking down the road that looked like they were barely able to tie their shoes, but they had a stroller with 2 kids. And you're thinking, what the hell is going on? Well, that was, had I not been had I not been born into a mechanical background. My father was a mechanic, is a mechanic still, and taught me everything that he knew up until the point where I left the nest and actually began to work with him. I don't know how I would have gotten away with or just being able to actually get ahead in life had I not been a mechanic. Changing your own oil, changing a headlight, changing your wiper blades, fixing your water pump, doing your own brakes. This is something that is such a huge expense in people's lives. And I'm very fortunate to be able to do this and save myself that money. And I want to give it back. I want to give it back to people. So I would like to be able to, at some point, leave the shop, bring my wife with me out of her job, and open up my own small little repair shop, 1-2 bays. It'd be private. It wouldn't be open to the public, but it would be open to, example, single mothers, teenage parents, people that are just a little less fortunate than we are, that maybe can't afford to get, that have cars, that have jobs that they rely on their cars to get to, but just don't have the means or funds to change their own oil or find out why their engine light's on. It's an expensive thing, guys. It's an expensive thing. You all know this. I take it for granted because I know how to do this stuff. But again, I don't know where I would have been as a young parent, having to do this, having to pay for this stuff. So that is my future goal. And with my shop foreman now leaving and my shop becoming different, my shop settings becoming different again, I want to kick that plan into high gear. So I originally gave myself, when I first started thinking this, a 3 to 5 year plan, but I can see it happening before that. I want to go 1 to 2. This time next year, or this time in 2 years, that's where I want to be. I want to be on my own, doing my own thing, working for myself, making the money, providing for my family, and supporting myself doing this. So, yeah, that's pretty much all it is. That's as honest as you're ever going to get from me. I think that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I want to just say thank you to everybody for the support, for the Patreon page, for my affiliate links that you guys click on, and everything supports my goal to move forward in this life. And you guys, you can do this too. It's not I wouldn't say that it's not hard, because it is hard. It takes a lot. But if you have the will and the drive and something that pushes you forward every day to do this, just do it. I'm 2 years in. I mean, we see people that are a month in and they have 1 million subscribers because they have that niche, that certain thing that people are craving. Well, we have a very small community as auto technicians or diesel techs or boat techs, airplane techs, all those, just tool crazy people. It's a very small community on YouTube. So to be able to hit 100,000 subscribers like Self-Made Auto or the Humble Mechanic, those people are, they're fucking killing it, and they are on the top of our food chain. They're doing it. Chris Fix, over 1 million subscribers, that guy. So it's not that it can't be done, because it can. And we just have to keep pushing and pushing and be able to get our goals and reach our goals. But first you have to have the goal. So now you know. Anyway, guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything that you guys do, your emails, your comments, your concerns, your shitty comments, your good comments, everything that you guys do to make my channel what it is. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. 2 years. How many more can we go? Anyway, I'm getting emotional on you guys. Okay. Anyway, guys, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you on my 3rd year video. Thanks, guys.